Hi, this is Katie from the library, and I'm going to demonstrate how to find peer-reviewed articles in the library databases. I think sometimes we assume that if we're getting an article from the Shasta College databases that it must be peer-reviewed, and that is not always the case. There is a range of different types of information available in our databases, and it's not all peer-reviewed information. To just give you a quick summary of what a peer-reviewed article means. A peer-reviewed article is one that has gone through a process where other scholars in the author's field or discipline critically assess a draft of the article, and then once it is okayed, it is published. Keep in mind that not all scholarly journals go through the peer review process. However, it's safe to assume that a peer-reviewed article is also scholarly. In short, scholarly means the article was written by an expert for an audience of other experts, researchers, or students, and peer review takes that one step further, meaning the article is reviewed and critiqued by the author's peers who are experts in the same subject area. The vast majority of articles that are scholarly are peer reviewed, just not all of them. So I'll show you how to limit that and check in our databases. So the first thing that you want to do is go to articles and databases. And I'm going to show in some of the most popular databases, which is our EBSCO databases. So I'm going to click on Academic Search Complete. And it will prompt you to log into the portal to verify you are a student. And then from here, you can choose the databases you want to search. So depending on your topic, you may want to choose a business database or maybe a psychology and behavioral sciences collection database. Maybe you have an environmental topic you want to look at. I think I'm going to look at an environmental topic. And then we have some health ones as well that may have peer-reviewed information that you want. The other one that people sometimes use is military and government collection. That contains journals like law journals, that type of thing. They may or may not be peer-reviewed. So I'm going to choose the databases that relate to my topic, and then I'm going to put in my search. So I'm going to do genetically modified or GMO. And health. And we're just going to keep it pretty broad for the purposes of this demonstration. And then I'm going to do a search. So you can see I got 1,900, a little over 1,900 results. If you scroll down, you can see most of them are from academic journals. Now I can go down and you can say I want scholarly peer-reviewed journals, so you can limit right there to that. And that's different than limiting to academic journals. So that brought it down quite, by about 600 results. So now I have more than 1,300 results in here. And then to double check if something is peer-reviewed, let's take this one. This is the Journal of Public Affairs. So if we click on the title of the article, now I can go to the source where it says source. I'm just looking down here to see if it has. So if you click on the source, it's blue like a link. And it will take me to more information about this publication. So I can see the title of it, the publisher information, like where it's at. And then you can go down to where it says peer-reviewed. Yes. So now I have my confirmation that it is a peer-reviewed journal and the articles contained in that journal are peer-reviewed. And most of them should be because I limited to the peer-reviewed articles on that left-hand side. Now, we do have other databases that are peer-reviewed databases, and you can generally find that information in the description. So, for example, one other one, let's see if I can find. I believe JSTOR is, yeah, so JSTOR is a database that only contains peer-reviewed articles. So that would be one that you wouldn't have to limit when you're in there. It just says in the description right here that it's an archival collection of 175 peer-reviewed academic journals. Hopefully that helps. I would stick with Academic Search Complete and JSTOR for your peer-reviewed information. If you have questions on finding that information, or if you're not sure if the article you chose is peer-reviewed, please contact us at askalibrarian@shastacollege.edu. And we would be happy to double check for you or walk you through how to find peer-reviewed information for your particular topic for your research assignment. Thanks, and I hope this was helpful.